Do you know many people are having trouble with calculating numerous items on a calculator? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Plan calculation. Plan your calculation by understanding that the calculator can handle up to 79 steps. Make sure to stay within this limit or plan to store intermediate results. Step 2. Use memory. Use the memory function to store intermediate results. Calculate part of your items and use the M+ function to save the current result for later use. Step 3. Utilize variables. Leverage the variable functions to store results. After calculating a part, save it in a variable and clear the screen for the next calculations. Step 4. Recall values. Retrieve stored values with the recall function when needed. This allows you to continue your calculations using previously stored results. Step 5. Chain calculations. Chain your calculations by using results from memory and variables, making sure each step stays manageable. This way, you can effectively manage calculations with more than 15 items. After following these steps, you should be able to efficiently calculate more than 15 items on your Casio FX-300MS. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Casio users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.